Hello friends, welcome to So Dramatic, where we're bringing fantastic ideas to life. Today I'm going to show you how I put together the floors and the windows for the studio diorama. You can see here that I'm using wooden stir sticks and tacky glue to attach the sticks to the foam core illustration board. At first I was using way too much glue and it caused the end of the foam core board to curve in a way I wasn't expecting. My husband showed me a way that I could use less glue and have a more effective floor without warping. I went ahead and followed his advice, and the rest of the floor turned out great. I sanded it several times and used a wood filler to fill in the cracks and cover any imperfections from the making process. The varnishing process went beautifully. I used an actual wood varnish that I got from the hardware store, and it really showed up the wood well. Made the stir sticks look like a real floor. It looks amazing. I had to glue it to this balsa wood in order to flatten it out because it was quite curved. I didn't realize I wasn't supposed to glue the whole thing directly to the floor. Only found out later that it's smart to build it on a piece of brown paper or cardboard and install the floor in the room. I will be doing that with the walls when I create them. So I've got these walls here that I've made, and I put the top on them, and I'm going to measure out the windows and the doors and figure out where they're going to be. Okay, so I'm working at the 1/12 scale, which means that my door is going to be 1.5 inches from the edge. I'm switching to my other blade that is more reliable at this point because this is pretty thick, so I just want to do a good job on it. These are the walls. Check it out. It's pretty good. I've got these pieces of thin rice paper macheted on here to hold the wall together while before I glue it to the floor. So I'll be doing that next. So the hardwood floors are finished, the walls have been attached, and we're just waiting for finishing. And here we go. I'm going to addition some small pieces to get a better sense of size. The tiny singer, a little box, which is a stand-in for a table, and this cute Art Nouveau stained glass lamp. It's adorable, and I can't wait for the whole room to fully come together. When I first designed this room, I thought, oh, 10 inches by 10 inches is too big. I'll make it 10 by 8. and it's looking pretty small with even this amount of stuff in it. However, I have made sewing studios in the past in rooms actually smaller than this one. So it'll be fun, and I may have to build a larger edition later. Thank you for watching part 1 of this miniature studio build. Like, comment, and subscribe.